Welcome. Today we are learning the basics of an amazing machine that powers the modern world, which is the computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that follows an instruction to process an information. The main components of the computer are first the input devices, which allows user to give information to the computer. Next is the CPU, which is the central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer, and it performs all the calculations and decision making in the computer. Another main components of the computer is the memory or RAM, computer short-term memory. Next is the storage, which is the hard drive or the SSD. It is a long-term memory and it keeps the files, photos, games, and programs when the power is off. Another main components of the computer is the output devices, which shows the results of computer work and example or the common example of is the monitors, printers, and speakers. Now let's come with the hardware and software of the computer. Hardware is the physical parts of the computer. For example, is the CPU, keyboard, and the screen or the monitor. While the software is the programs and application that is installed in a computer. For example, the games, browsers, and the operating system. Here is the short history and importance of the computer. For brief history, the Asian computing tools use abacus for math, and in 1940s, the first electronic computer was invented, which is the vacuum tube. And in the transistor era, computers are smaller and more portable, while in the modern computing, powerful computers and phones and laptops are invented. Thank you.